This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. Make sure the speaker battery is above 50% or connected to power, and connect your phone or PC to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open Sony's official app or the PC updater and locate your exact model. This prevents installing the wrong firmware. Once done, back up any device-specific settings if the app offers it. Now you're ready to trigger the initial download and let the process start. You'll now handle the core installation steps. Initiate the firmware download in the Sony app or updater and pay attention to any permission prompts. Accepting them allows the updater to access Bluetooth or storage. Make sure your phone or PC stays awake and connected, and do not power off or disconnect the speaker during transfer. The app shows progress or a %. Be patient as reboots may occur automatically. Once the installer reports success, confirm the new firmware version. You finish by validating the update and resolving any hiccups. Check the firmware number shown in settings, then test Bluetooth pairing, audio playback, and any equalizer or spatial audio features to confirm normal behavior. If the update failed or the speaker is unresponsive, restart both the speaker and your router, then retry the process. Intermittent Wi-Fi or low battery are common causes. If problems persist, switch to the PC updater for a wired install or contact Sony support for guided recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.